Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm talking about how to separate images in Cricut Design Space. The printables available in my shop at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au can be printed as a PNG file or as a PDF file. If you're using a Cricut to cut out your printable, you want to upload your PNG file. These are the PNG files here for the Sunflower Printable. And the one that I'm going to use today is this one here, which has the 6 circles. Here I am in Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to select New Project. I'm going to click Upload. I've clicked upload. It's brought me to this page here, which has my recent uploads. But if your upload isn't there yet, you click upload image, browse to see your files, choose the image you wish to upload into Design Space, click continue, make sure the background is transparent, apply and continue, choose flat graphic, upload. It takes a little while, but then it brings it in to Cricut Design Space. So here I have imported this one page, which is from the Sunflower Printable, and I don't want to do it all as one page. I want to make it larger, or I want to make it smaller, or perhaps I only want one image. I don't want all of the images. So in order to separate these images, what we need to do is go into Shapes, choose Square, cover the part that you want to separate. I'm not interested in the banner down the bottom. I only want the images in the circle. Okay, and then click off the square, click them together, and click Slice. I'm going to delete the background there. So now you can see they've got a circle over them. Now what I want to do is click that top image and click Contour. And then I'm going to click Hide All Contours and it'll only show one. So now one is covered only. So now I'm going to get that one. I'm going to click Slice again. And now I should be able to move that image on its own. Okay, so I can delete that circle. And there's my image that I can move separate to those images. Now, if I want to delete that link, I can just delete that. And I can get that and resize it as big or small as I want to. But I have to repeat all of that every single time I want to do it. So get a square. Go to cover the lot. Okay, click off it. Highlight both of the images. Click Slice. Then you can delete the background. Click the top image. Go to Contour. Hide all contours. Okay, close that down. Click off it. Highlight over the top. Slice. And then you should be able to move that away. So that is how you separate images from one PNG file. This video was a request. I hope it has been helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a lovely crafty day.